Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a button on the in-user form to change the background color like this, as you can see. So let's dive in. First of all, I will create a new and delete this one. Oh, not this one. All right, new. Don't save. Okay, now let's create a user form. Go to developer tab and Visual Basic, go to insert, create user form. You can apply this method on any user form that you have. All right, so let's insert a button. Okay, button 1, right click on it if you'd like to change its color, background, for example this one, and name it, change background color as you like. All right, okay, now double click on the button or right click and view code. Then here is the code, dim colors, as variants, colors equal sign, array, open parentheses, VB red, the first color, then VB green, second color, and VB blue, then VB yellow, and the last one VB, then close parentheses. Static color index as integer, me back color equal colors color index, color index close parentheses. Color index color index equal sign color index plus 1 close parentheses, then mode UB ounce parentheses, then colors close parentheses plus 1 and close parentheses. I think it's okay. Color index, me back color, equal color index, static color index, right, color index plus 1 mode. All right, okay, now let's run the application from here. That is the result. The first color, red one, green, there is the blue, yellow, magenta, and VBK. If you'd like to adjust the button, go to fonts, and okay. So that's all for today. So by the way, this method you can apply it on any user form that you have before. All right, and that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comments, and see you in the next video.